Kalarambh brings you a bird with nest showpiece. The size of the product is 2.5 by 2.5 by 7 inches. The weight of the product is 13 grams. The material of the product is WeedGrass. WeedGrass hanging showpieces are crafted to capture this essence, transforming ordinary spaces into extraordinary ones. Each piece is a harmonious blend of rustic charm and modern elegance, designed to add a refreshing, organic touch to any home. With every purchase of our products, you support local handicraft artists. Kalarambh by Bharthat, Sayajiganj, Vadodara.